Hayes here, TMG Fridge, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, check out this rig we just got finished up here. Now, this is my man in Winters, Texas, Wes Hagel. Guys, you know we love our Texas folks out there. And Wes just retired from the Marine Corps, starting to cook barbecue. He's doing pretty well, so hey, he ordered this bad boy up. So guys, I need a little more room. So we got him set up here with a big old Fridge 60. So let's check it out. Now, it is on our off-road package, guys, so he's going to be taking this around town with him, kind of showing it off, but needs to be able to load it up and off his trailer. So got on the off-road package, front axle swiveled all the way underneath. Makes it pretty easy to move around. Now, this thing is heavy, guys. All quarter-inch plate steel, probably about 2,000 pounds this bad boy weighs, so she's heavy. He did upgrade to that stainless steel front shelf there. Still got your paper towel and utensil holder down there as well. Check out the smoke chamber here. You got your 3 sliding trays, so 60 inches wide, 24 inches deep. A lot of cook space in here, guys. This is a reverse flow smoker, so smoke goes all the way across the bottom, comes back out the top, so it makes for real even temperatures inside there. Did get our TMG Pits tell-true thermometers in there as well. Come around to the hot box here now, guys. On our Fridge 60, you get an extra large hot box, so well over 2,000 square inches of cook space in this sucker. Guys, what we love about this hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So basically you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures off the same fire. So it works great. He did add some sausage rods up in here too. So hang some sausage, hang ribs, chicken, stuff like that. Now down here on the firebox, he did opt for our insulated firebox. Does still have his fire management cradle down there as well. Got the 1-inch insulated firebox. And around the back side here, he got that big old rear folding shelf, guys. You got a Fridge 60, you got to get that rear folding shelf. Super heavy duty. Sit down on it, take a break. Of course, we hooked him up with his United States Marine Corps logo. And come around the front side here, got his regular guy barbecue, custom stainless steel sign up there as well. Guys, that's Wes's Fridge 60. We're about to load up on a trailer. He's going to haul ass back home. We're going to get in there, get started on the next one. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.